Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
सो आम्ही एक ड्रायव्ह इनिशिएट केला विथ गोवा पुलीस. तांकां सगळ्या इन्स्पेक्टराक सांगलें आमी की तुमकां हे कोण गोंयकार जे मेंटली अनसाउंड मायंड आहा, जे पर्सन विथ डिसेबिलिटी, इफ यू फायंड हिम इन एनी पार्ट ऑफ गोवा, वी आर रेडी टू शेल्टर देम. पूण आमी डायरेक्ट तांकां उखलूंक जाय. तुमचें कितें करूंक जाय, तुमकां तो फोटो मारून काय व्हिडिओ मारून आमकां धाडूंक जाय. आमचो वॉट्सॅप नंबराचेर 8380097564. आमी तुका एक रिप्लाय दितले. ते रिप्लाय घेवन तुवें नियरस्ट पुलीस स्टेशना कडेन वचोंक जाय. ते पुलीस स्टेशनार सांगपाचें बाबा हे मनीस आहा, पुलीस आमकां कॉन्टेक्ट करतले. तुमी पुलिसाच्या फाटल्यान लागूंक जाय, बाबा हेका मातसो फोन कर. पुलीस तांकां उखलतले, पेपर वर्क करून पुलीस आमकां कॉन्टेक्ट करतली. फुडें मागीर आमी कॅरी फॉरवर्ड करतले. सो हे आतां 9 दिसांनी लोक अशे थंडी मातशें वाडलो सकाळी फुडें, ट्रॅफिकूय वाडलो, ट्युरिस्टूय वाडले आनी होमलेसूय वाडटलो रस्तो. सो क्रिसमस फेस्टिवल फॉर अस, it's not only about the sweets, the music, the sound, the entertainment. We should also be able to do something for people who are not in their senses. And especially in the big cities of Margao, Vasco, Penji, Mapsa, there are a lot of Goans sleeping on the street, lost their mind. They don't look very clean. We think they are all ghati, or we think they are all outsider, which is not the matter. They are all Goans. So our request to people through media, through different channels is, if you see any homeless Goan person with mental disability roaming around in Goa, you have a duty to send us the pictures, send us the video, contact the nearest police station, see that the police come and verify. You have to spend some time, you have to have some patience. बेश्टो फोटो मारून धाडून आमी हांगाच्यान थिंगाच्यान हांगा भोंवंक जायना. आमची ऑलरेडी कामां चालू आहा. सो इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट दॅट लेट अस सेलिब्रेट क्रिसमस. Let us think about the poor. Let us think about people on the streets. Let us think about people who have lost their mind for various reasons. Our priority is Goans, but we will also consider non-Goans.